let's just relook at this interest on loan. So we've got the formula where we said it's the opening balance, which was given 617,600 plus interest, which we haven't got, less the payments of 284,400, and that gave me a balance of 514,660. To calculate the interest, I now just need to start at the answer, the balance at the end, and work back. When we work back, we do the opposite. So if we start by 514,660, then we're going to not minus but plus 284,400 and then minus 617,600. So let's just do it here. Okay, so that's the balance at the end, 514,660 plus 284,400 minus 617,600, and that gives me the amount of the interest, which is let's just quickly see, $181,460, and that is the amount that I now need to use on my income statement. Let's just get to the income statement quickly. Okay, so down there is interest expense. So I'm going to put in the 184,660 in the interest expense. Good. Let's just relook at the interest on loan. So we're going to use the formula which says opening balance plus interest less the payments for the year gives me the balance at the end. Now to work out the missing item here, which is the interest, I start by using the balance at the end, the answer, which is 514,660. Then I'll do the opposite with the items above. So instead of minus, I will plus it, and that one, instead of plus, I will minus it. So I'm going to say 514,660 plus 284,400 minus 617,600 gives me 181,460. So my interest is 181,460. If I now want to check myself, I can always take 617,600 plus 181,460 minus 284,400, and it should still give me 514,660. So the amount I was looking for is 181,460. That I must now put in on my income statement. So I'll go down to interest expense and I'll put in the 181,460. It's an expense, it must be in brackets. Good, so now we've done that adjustment. We can now just go back to the question to see what other adjustments we've got. That was the loan. Then they give me the depreciation. They give me the amount, so I don't have to calculate anything. It's 123,000. So I can simply go to my income statement, put in depreciation under the operating expenses, and the amount 123,000. That is all I need to do. They did not ask me to do any calculations. They simply told me it is 123,000. Now the last bit is only for grade 12, that is at the bottom of my income statement. I need to put in the income tax, which is 198,300. So go to the bottom there where it says income tax. It's also, we pay it, it's an expense, so it's in brackets, 198,300. I'll go back to the question. That is the last of my adjustments. So now I can start finalizing the income statement. To do that, I'm simply going to now do the calculation of the amounts in brackets. So it was that 8385,000 minus 18,000 minus 1,200, and that answer I'll now put in the amount column, and that is 183,658,000. Do the same for cost of sales. Take the 524,0625 minus 750. But be careful, cost of sales is an expense. It must be in brackets, 523,9875. Okay, if there's a line, it means I've now got to do a calculation for the items above. So I must take the 8365,800 minus 523,9875, and that answer I will put in below the line. It's 3125,925, and that is my gross profit. Okay, if we've got a block, I've got to add whatever's in the block and put the total at the top. So I must first work out what all the amounts in the block is. So it is the rent income. It's just doing the calculation for the 347,000 minus 27,750, and that gives me 319,250. Bad debts recovered, I had nothing to do there. It is 10540. Although there's a line open, I'm not going to force anything in there. It will most probably be wrong, and then I will not only lose a mark, or it will not only be marked wrong, but I will also lose a mark by then putting in F-1 for a foreign item. So above the block, I've got to add these four and put the total at the top. So the 319,250 plus 10540 plus 772 plus 250, and that gives me 330,812. Below the block will be the total of the item above the block and the previous total. So the previous total was that 312,5925 plus 330,812, and that answer I'll put in below the block, and that should give me 345,6732. I'm going to do the same. First calculate all the operating expenses, get a total, put it in above the block. So I'll simply, the ones that I did not do anything to, the 698,000 and the 365,540, and insurance, I've got to add those two, and that should give me insurance 34,125. Audit fees, add the two, and that is 30250. Directors fees minus the 24,600 gives me 1,476,000. With repairs, I did not do anything, so I can simply put in the amount in. Same for material, packing material, and same for advertising. Packing material, advertising, and bad debts. I've got to add the 6,000 to the 13,700, and that should give me 19,700. So of all the items I've done all the calculations, I can now add up everything inside the block. So it's everything from the rates and taxes to the 123,000 depreciation. It is expenses, it must be in brackets, it makes the profit less. So it's 224,8911 in brackets. Again, I've got open lines, I ignore them. Below the block, same thing. Go to the previous total, which was the 3456,732 minus the 224,8911. And that should give me that total. I'll put in at the bottom, 1207826. The profit before interest expense, it is the two, it's a line, so it's the two totals above. So it's the 1207826 plus the 55250, and that should give me 1263076. Again, I've got a line, so it's the totals above, the 1263076 minus 181460, and that gives me 1081616. Now in grade 11, that is where we will stop, and that would be my net profit for the year. But in grade 12, we simply got another entry, and that is the income tax. Again, the total 1081616 minus 198300, and that gives me 883316, and that is my net profit after tax. In other words, now I've completed my income statement. Go and do some activities and see if you get it right. Good luck.